Okay, I'm making this video for Tennille, who is in Zimbabwe, so she can see how cold it is in Duluth, Minnesota. Okay, now we have a really messy house, so don't look at our house. But right here, I want to show you something. Oh, about a minute ago it said 18 below. The temperature is getting rising. Yes, folks, that is 17.9 below zero. And our house temperature is, inside the house, is 60.4 Fahrenheit. And now little doggy has to go outside to go pee-pee. Wanna go outside? Huh, wanna go outside? Okay, let's go outside. Let's go outside so Tennille can see how cold it is out there. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, gonna freeze your little buns off. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, now please excuse the messiness of this. I was going to put it on the leash because sometimes she goes nuts when it's this cold. Okay, I know that the camera is hanging there, but just see if we can get a picture of her going nuts. I don't really want to take a picture of her going potty. See, there she goes nuts. Are you gonna go nuts, little dog? And now this snow looks pretty, but listen to it crunch. See, snow doesn't crunch like that unless it's below zero. Oh, lights turned on because my husband is. Ooh, did you hear that crack? That was a crack. When it gets really cold like that, that was the wood, our wood sidewalk, and it cracks because it's so darn cold. It doesn't literally crack physically, it just makes a popping noise. Oh, doggy's going in potty, you don't want to see that. Here are our Christmas window lights. This is in our sliding glass door, back door. Oh, she's crying because her foot hurts her. Uh-oh. Are you crying? You better come in. Come on, let's come in. She's crying because it's so cold that her feet hurt. Come on. It's okay, come on. Come on. Oh. Now, some people actually have little booties. Come here, come here. Come here. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, come here. Let's warm your feet up. Yeah, let's see now. I'll go like this and I will try and warm up her feet. Give me your other paw. Give me your other paw. Let's get it warmed up. Yeah. How do you like my Christmas? See, these are my Christmas mittens or gloves. And I do have some other gloves called choppers, which I'll have to show to you.